Okay, guys, we got the noodles in. Hey, they're cooking. They're cooking. They're cooking. Hey guys, we're back. This is my sister, and we're doing the 2 times spicy right here. And we're finna put our sauce in.
Ooh, it got on my tongue.
Really? We both never tried this kind before. She has tried the 1 time, I think like the regular one, but she never tried the 2 times spicy. So this is gonna be our first time for the 2 time. Make sure you put it in here. Oh snaps! It's okay. It's okay. We can clean it up when we're done.
Yeah. No, already opened it.
And then this is the seaweed.
I don't have.
Okay, you guys. We finna mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix. Woo! Oh my. It looks good actually.
Yeah, it looks good.
I don't. Whew. It's strong
though.
I'm trying to like see it because I can't see it. I'm trying to let you guys see it, I guess. That makes more sense, huh? Yeah. Looks good, huh? Some seaweed and stuff. Okay. Want to move your bowl over somewhere? You can move over. Dang, yours is darker. Yeah, hers is a little darker because I put like more juice in mine. You can move your bowl over somewhere too. Or either I can probably put this in the middle if you want. You cool right there?
Yeah.
In there? Okay. All right.
Wait.
You ready?
I need some water.
You need some water. Okay. Okay, we got our water. Water, water, water. Whew!
Well,
I like spicy stuff. But boy, I don't know if I can deal with this. People been talking about this like real hot. We gonna see.
You want to start with a big bite?
You want to start with a big? We eating. What you mean? I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
No. Okay, so we started with a big bite.
That's if I can get a big bite. Okay.
It's not that bad. This actually tastes better than the 1 time spicy to me.
Woo! It's seasoned good. Woo! I can tell you right now, I ain't finna eat all of. Woo!
It's good though. It's just hot.
Hot than a mug.
Hold on. Wait. Ah! It's like the more I breathe, my tongue hurt.
Whoever finished this, get what? A Lamborghini? Here come my baby.
Hey, dang, it's got the. Wait.
I don't think I can finish this.
It got the tip of my tongue burning.
It's like,
wait.
yeah, we did. Did you already drink water? You lost.
I don't care.
No. Okay, we can start over. Whoever drink water loses.
Okay.
I don't think I can finish this.
Oh my gosh.
Wait. My mouth's burning.
Woo! It's like my lips. But I ain't finna lick my lips.
There, I just did.
Woo! Woo!
My tongue feel like it's melting off.
This is hot.
Okay.
And not like hot stuff.
I'm just gonna have to keep eating because as you're chewing, it's not hot. It's just when you stop.
Woo! You said it ain't hot.
When you're chewing it and stuff, it's not hot. But after when you breathe in, it's hot.
I need to breathe. Shit.
Dang, I'm almost done. I'm getting close.
This is...
Oh, my tongue don't burn no more.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think I could finish this though. Like, it ain't that type of stuff I ain't trying to have on my stomach. Oh, the whole thing? Girl, you won.
Woo! Okay, I'm done. This is so hot.
It's like, I don't really know if like I can finish this because like I really don't eat noodles. Like, that's why I'm saying like I don't know if I can finish this. Like, it's just, and then these noodles are like not the normal size noodles, like the ramen. It's like bigger.
They're like thicker.
Yeah, they're thicker. Like,
I can't.
if the sauce was on something else, for me, I feel like, yes, I can eat it. I can eat the sauce, the spice. I think it's just the noodle texture for me.
Yeah, for me, it's just like the noodles. Like the sauce, like I can withstand it. It's just the noodles that is on noodles.
Yeah, I think that's a little much for me. Like, I don't know. Oh, you lost.
I know. Ooh, that was hot. My mouth's still burning. Hold on. I'm over here about to die. I need some water.
That's my baby yelling in the background. Whew. Yeah, the sauce and the spice and stuff is really good. I like the seaweed. I like the little crunch, you know, from it. I love all of that. But it's just like the noodles. It's too much for me.
Yeah. Like the spice and stuff, it's hot, but it's not like that bad. It's just the noodles.
I feel like the spice is going away from me too. Like the spice level is going down. My lips still burn.
Yeah, my tongue still burns, but it's like when I'm drinking, it makes it hotter.
Yeah, I can't eat all of this. Are you ready to end it? Okay. All right, bestie squad, we out. I can't finish all of this. And I hope you guys stay tuned for our next video. See how this is gonna go. I didn't know that it was gonna end like this, but see you guys. Bestie squad out.